1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. La da la da da la da da. La da la da dee da da la da 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 la da la da da la da da. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head, you know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want, kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting my favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. Oh, 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 oh. You got me stuck on the thought of you. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof, I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. La da la da da la da da. La da la da dee da da la da 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 la da la da da la da da. La da la da dee da da la da 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 da. Hey, thank you so much for stopping by, and if you enjoyed that cover, then please do me a favor. Don't forget to like this video and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on future content coming from this channel. And also, I want to thank Leolani for being today's sponsor and for allowing me to showcase the T52 4G. This is a tender size model, and truly it's become my favorite ukulele to play because the tone sounds incredible. It's very warm, rich, dynamic, and also the action is super low, so it's easy to press down on those strings. And for the price you pay for this instrument, you're just gonna get a lot of quality that you won't find elsewhere. So if you want to check out the T52 4G for yourself, then click on the link in my description box below. Again, thanks so much for checking out this channel, and if you want to hear some more music, then click on that link right over there. It's going to take you to another one of my ukulele play-alongs that I think you're going to enjoy, and maybe you're going to grab your ukulele and jam with me, but whatever you decide, I look forward to seeing you right over there.